Now I'm going to talk about how we protect the grounds around a property. We go to great lengths to, like in this case, we had to put caution tape around this pool because we're going to be bringing some heavy equipment in here to load this roof. So we pick some duct tape, because if you don't strap these cones down somehow, use weight bricks or blocks. In this case, we use these straps and we duct tape this caution tape so these cones don't just lay down in the first wind that comes by. And again, there's a big hole right here. I don't want people to step in. I don't want to get debris in it. And I don't want any heavy equipment coming through here and falling in. So unlike other companies that don't care, this is a I care factor with A&A. We care about your grounds. We care about your property. And we'll go to great lengths to protect it. Over here, we covered this deck with tarps because all the debris is going to be coming down off this roof. Even though we go to great lengths to keep that debris from being thrown on the ground, there's some cases where you can't help it. So we're going to have a trash bucket over here that's going to be lifted up for the trash to go into, but some debris will get off. Every roof is a major demolition project, and so there will be materials that hit the ground. But we will take care of the landscaping. We're going to cover it. We're going to weight it down so the wind doesn't blow it away. And by the time we're done, this tarps all get rolled up. It goes in our trash, and when we're done, we're going to roll a magnet to make sure there's no nails or screws left behind, and do a final cleanup. And that's going above and beyond.